Hi everyone, welcome back to our personal profile web application built with Laravel. The starting point of our video is the result of previous video. If you haven't seen that, I will link that in description down below. On the end of this video, we'll be able to edit and delete skills. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is to go in our project, on resources, on views, on skills, in form.blade.php file. Over here, we need to make some change because we need to use the same form when we create and edit skills. So let's make some change over here. On this title, add a condition if form mode equal edit. The title will be edit skills, otherwise it will be create skills. Let's copy this, go to this button and paste it over here. Change here, it will be update, and over here it will be save. Now let's go in create.blade.php file. Over here add form mode equal create. Now let's create a new file called edit.blade.php. Within include admin.skills.form and form mode equal edit. Alright, let's go in index.blade.php file. Over here add and include admin.skills.edit, and on this button add a class called open modal. Okay, now when I click on this edit button, it opens a modal. As you can see, the title here is edit skills, and here when I click on new skills button, as you can see, the title is create skills. Alright, now we are going to fill out this form and make some change before save in our database. So we'll go in form.blade.php file. Over here add a value with condition if skills name exists, show the skills name, otherwise show nothing. As you can see, this is the skills name. Now let's go back in our form file, copy this and paste it here. Instead of name, it will be proficiency, and change here also. As you can see here, you can see the skills proficiency. Okay, and then now let's go over here in form.blade.php file, add a condition. Set skills service ID and the skills service ID equal service ID. Show select, otherwise show nothing. As you can see, this is the skills service name. Alright, now we are going to make some change on this form and update the database. So let's go in edit.blade.php file. Over here add a form with method posts, action with root admin.skills.update, and skills ID. Here add a sysref token and a method patch, and then close this form. Alright, we haven't created this root. Let's create it by going on roots in web.php file over here. Duplicate this root and change here. Instead of post, it will be patch. The root will be admin/skills/skill. The function will be update, and the root name will be admin.skills.update. We haven't created this update function. Let's create it by going on our skill controller over here. Create a function called update with the requests and the ID. Now let's create a variable skills and find the skills with ID, and go in our store function, copy this and save it over here in our update function. Go back in our store function, copy this and paste it over here, and then change here to update. All right, now as you can see, when we change something and save it, it is saved. All right, now we are going to work around on delete skills. To do that, we are going on our index.blade.php file over here, add a form with ID skills, ID the method will be post, and the action with root admin.skills.destroy. Skills ID. Okay, add ssref token and add a method delete. On this button, add an action on click. We need to return a pop-up box which will help us to confirm a delete. And then close this form. All right. We haven't created this root, so let's create it by going on roots on web.php file, duplicate this root. Here it will be delete, and the function it will be destroy, and the root name it will be admin.skills.destroy. We haven't created this destroy function. We'll go in skill controller, create over here a function called destroy with ID, create a variable skill which will find our skill ID and delete it, and then we're going to return to our admin.skills.index with message skills deleted. Now when we click on this delete icon, we see this pop-up box, and we can choose confirm delete or not. Here we confirm delete. All right, as you can see, we finished to delete the skills. Now let's add some style on those buttons. So let's go in index.blade.php file over here, add a style, display inline. All right, as you can see on these buttons, it is good. Let's end this video by making this link workable. We'll go on layouts, on admin, inside bar over here, add URL admin/skills, and copy this and paste it over here. Instead of service, it will be skills. Now as you can see, it works. All right, so that is all about edit and delete skills. In upcoming video, we will work around on education session. If you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in comment box. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to keep going. Thank you for watching.